Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve error coming across a OneDrive error code 0x80040def7 in OneDrive, and it says that it could not be installed. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to actually open up the Start menu and type in apps and features. Best match should go back to apps and features. Go ahead and just left click on that to open it up. In the search this list field, type in OneDrive. Let's say they spell it as one word. So you can see Microsoft OneDrive. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to just go ahead and uninstall it. If you see it in here, we're going to go select uninstall. So once that's done uninstalling, you want to restart your computer. Another thing, once you're done restarting your computer, we're going to go open up a web browser here. And I'm going to have a link in the description of the video to Microsoft's own OneDrive link here. So we're going to go ahead and re-download it. So just give it a moment. And go ahead and paste into the address bar up at the top. And you want to search that up. And select the download button. Go ahead and just left click on that one time. It's about 33 megabytes, so it should take a moment to download here. And once it's done downloading, just go ahead and open up the file to run it. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. You can close out the web browser too at this time. And then it just would begin the install process. You just should follow along with any on-screen prompts. You'd restart your computer at that point, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.